Hi guys, are you worried about hair fall and hair regrowth problems? You don't need to worry. This remedy works like Minoxidil hair regrowth treatment, but it is much cheaper. You only need two things: rosemary leaves and mint stems. I bought this from my superstore. Take 2 glasses of water, boiled it with the rosemary leaves and mint stems on medium heat for 20 minutes. Guys, this remedy works for you 1000% because I am using it from last 4 weeks. Now let the water cool down. Pour the cold water into a spray bottle. Now guys, you have a hair regrowth spray and it works really very well. You can even use it on washed and dried hairs because it is not greasy. According to me, for the best results, spray it on your scalp every night before going to bed for the first week continuously. Guys, you will see the quick results in just 2 weeks. Follow for more.